Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So our first hair color trend for spring and summer 2025 is going to include this beautiful reddish bob, followed by this volumized bob that features a beautiful dimensional blonde tone. So like I was saying, we started off the video with this beautiful red bob. Red and copper tones are going to be very popular during the spring and summer season. Here we see someone with gorgeous curly hair getting a color touch-up. Came out absolutely flawless. Loving this hair color trend. Then we move into another hair color refresh. So she ended up going with the beige blonde trend, another winner for the spring and summer season. Beautifully done. Next up, we have the calico trend. Now, please forgive me if I mispronounce the name, but this is a trend based on, like you guys saw, the cats. So this color combination is trending all over TikTok. Very pretty combo. Another beautiful redhead. This is a darker wine color. And in general, we are seeing a lot of wine-based hair colors right now starting to trend as well, which I think is kind of funny. All right, so moving right along, we have someone who went blonde and cut their hair into a bob. And then we have a shaggy pixie bob style. She does have a bit of copper reddish tone going here with her strands. Looks like she had a pop of purple going there in the bangs too. I love the shape of this. It really showcases and provides a lot of texture throughout. And this would make for a fun, nice wash and go, low maintenance style that you can rock out during the warmer months. And I think that purple in the bangs is just a fun little nod to the season. So there is that calico trend once again. She's got the Charlotte shaggy mullet hairstyle going on for the cut, and then the color is the calico trend. So pretty. Now, all of the hair colors featured in today's video, you can really honestly wear all year round. Doesn't have to be during the spring and summer season. But I will say that we are going to be going a little bit warmer this spring and summer. We're going to see a lot of blondes, warm blondes, coppers, reds, and just kind of shake things up. There's a lot of fun and just inspiring hair color ideas that you can try, so don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and just try something different. You can also do like a temporary hair color as well if you want to just try it out but not make a commitment. So here we have a really fun hairstyle idea. Now she has the dip dyed ends trend. And she is doing the butterfly stencils. So for both styles, She added some clip-ins here to get a little bit of color. So just some different ways that you can mess around with color for the spring summer season. These would all be nice temporary options that you could try if you wanted to do like a nod to a trend without making a commitment. But I really like that dip dyed in trend that she had going there. Blonde with the brown ends. So next up we have another color transformation. So she is going copper here as well. Beautiful layered hairstyle. So pretty. And that copper is really just going to warm up the skin and just give you that nice sun-kissed glow to the complexion. So this is the full look of the stylist doing the layers here. She's got the curtain bangs with the waves. So here's another funky hairstyle idea. So another hot trend that we're going to be seeing this summer is actually a look of blue hair. I am seeing this on numerous different complexions, skin tones. Blue is just taking TikTok by storm, and it is definitely going to be a hot one for 2025 in general. So if you want to try something very outside of the box, different, you should definitely check out the blue hair color trend. So here we have another hair color transformation. That calico trend is, like I said, very popular. And there's many different variations for this one as well. So here we have someone with copper colored hair. Looks like she is getting a trim. A little bit of layers here. Nice, messy, shoulder length haircuts. The slight wave just adds a little bit of texture to the hair to make it appear a little bit thicker. Very cute. Moving right along, we have a pixie haircut. Stylist did do some bangs in the front here for this one. And she has a nice classic brunette for her hair color. Lots of body within this pixie style. And she has a lot of options. The stylist kind of shows us some of the options she can do when it comes to styling, because she has a lot of hair to play around with this cut. Very 90s inspired. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at all of these gorgeous hair color ideas that you can rock out this spring and summer. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.